This tutorial, I just want to show you how you can rename a legend for a chart in Excel using two different ways. So here we have an example with a chart that shows cumulative sales by salesperson from 1st of 2023 through the 10th. And here, as you can see with the names, we have a typo right here. So there are two ways that you can rename the legend. So the first thing is you can do is you can change just the cell that's being referenced in the legend. So from Brock to Brock, as you can see, it changed. There are a couple other things that you can do as well too. So just change it back. Um, so one thing you can do is you can click on the chart, click right here, chart filters. Then at the bottom, click select data. And then here you can see each one of these are legend items. So we can change block, click edit. We can just type our name. And this is great if we don't want the legend name to change, right? So we can change it to, I don't know, Karen. Okay. And as we can see, now the name is Karen. And no matter what we change in this cell, it doesn't change because we manually did that. Or one thing we can do is we can just select a different cell. So we can click on this again, click select data, click edit, and we can just have this reference a different cell. We can have the series name right here reference a different cell, so we can just have reference average instead. And click OK, and then now by having the series name referencing a different cell, it's just something different. So hope you found this to be useful. Like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.